Why visit New Zealand for your next vacation? If you're looking for adventure, stunning landscapes, and a warm Kiwi welcome, look no further than New Zealand. Here's why it should be at the top of your travel list. Breathtaking scenery. From rolling hills to majestic mountains, New Zealand's landscapes are out of this world. Think epic road trips, stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and geothermal wonders. Outdoor adventure. Whether you're bungee jumping, skydiving, hiking through the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, or exploring the famous Hobbiton movie set, New Zealand is an adventurer's dream come true. Unique wildlife. Get up close with native creatures like the Kiwi bird and explore remote islands that are home to rare species. Delicious wine. Indulge in world-class wines from the renowned Marlborough region, perfect for sipping while taking in the views. Warm Kiwi hospitality. New Zealanders are known for their friendly, laid-back nature, making every trip feel like a homecoming. Whether you're seeking thrills or tranquility, New Zealand offers the best of both worlds. Ready to experience the magic? Your next adventure awaits in New Zealand.